Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to crop image in circle shape in Canva. So let's get started. First thing first, what you need to do is simply just go to the elements option right over here. Just tap on the elements and then from here you will see different types of elements. So what you need to do, just simply scroll it down and scroll it down until you find the frames option. So you need to tap on the see all option right over here, and now you will see different types of different types of shapes. Okay, so in my case or today's video's topic, I will go with the basic shape and this will be the circle. So if you just love this paper circle, you can go with the paper circle as well. So let's just tap on the see all, and as you can see we got the circle shape right over here. So drag down into the canvas, then adjust your circle according to your needs. Like I will go with like that, and after that what you can simply do, first, if you don't have your image uploaded to the Canva, you can simply drag and drop your upload files, or also you can tap on this upload files option and upload your file. So after uploading the file, as you can see, here is my image. So I will drag and drop the image into here like this, and as you can see we got the image into the circle. So we need to adjust the image. So how we can do that? Double tap on the image, and as you can see we can now move the image like this. After adjusting the frame, you need to tap on the done option right over here. So as you can see we have adjusted the frame. Then what you can simply do is to go to the shapes or elements again. All right, go to the elements, and now we will go to the shapes option right over here. As you can see, here is the shapes. So tap on the see all, and now we will go with the circle shape. So let's just go with the circle shape, and again just adjust the circle as our needs. All right, then what you can simply do is to select the color and go with no color. All right, then border style, tap on the border style, and you need to select this border style. And you now what you need to do is to adjust the border width according to your needs like this. Okay, then adjust the frame simply with the border. So and then you can simply just like adjust the frame, and for changing the border color, like I am giving it like black color, so I want to do that with a black color. So let's just make it another color like this one, or this one. I think this one looks perfect with my picture, so I will go with this. And now if you just want to make sure to download this, what you can simply do is to share the button, tap on the share and download, and then go with the PNG. Then you need to select this transparent background option, and let's just download it. So if you have a premium account, you can download the transparent. Otherwise, just go with the PNG and download it with the white background as well. So let's just open the file. And as you can see, we got a file or image that is cropped in the circle shape and has a background in it. So that's how you can simply crop image in circle shape in Canva. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if it works or not, and I will catch you guys in the pretty next one. Peace out.